Hey guys, it's Wolfstar. I'm here with Claudia and Candace, and I'm just going to be adopting them onto Webkinz World today. Nothing special. So, Claudia is the texting puppy, and Candace is the cheer pup. This is the cheer pup. I can't get these new puppies mixed. Okay, they are. What am I doing? Here are their codes. Texting puppy and cheer pup. I kind of had to think of it. I had a little bit of time to think about her name, but I only had her for 2 days. So I just thought of Candace because I've always wanted, I needed a Webkinz to name that, and I just looked at her. I was like, kind of looks like a Candace. So this is Candace. This is Claudia. And I've had this name picked out for like a long time for her, so it's not new. It's just, I haven't adopted her yet. And they have these accessories, by the way. Candace has this diamond earring that's fake, so yeah, and then this other one that's like, I don't even know, but yeah, she has those on each side, and she has these blue earrings, which I actually got last time I was at the hospital in September, before I even made my channel. So yeah, those are cool. And then she also has this bow. Now I'm gonna stop rambling, and I'm gonna open the codes, and I'm gonna put them on Webkinz. Add me on Webkinz World, by the way. My username is Flash the Furry. Things to do. Load. Yay! This is so cute. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Yay. Now, Candace's turn. Oh my goodness, that's so cute. So cute, so cute, so cute. Ta-da! Woohoo! King's Cash is going up. Let's go play. Why are you in Reese's room? That's not Reese's room, that's Mira's room. What? I can't get, I get the name rooms mixed up. We're in this tiny room just so we can open these because I don't have any other empty rooms. This isn't really that empty. I mean, it has wallpaper and stuff, but whatever. Let's open the cheer pup one first. Da, 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 da. You've been awarded confetti launcher. Oh my gosh. I wish that was real. Rah rah ravioli. Ravioli is my life. Bonus gift box. Green welcome balloon. Purple bumper car. Oh, that's cool. Pretzel and orange. Okay. Does it really launch? Feed the raviolis. Yummy, 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 yummy. Okay. Where's that bonus gift box? I can't find it. There it is. Bonus gift box. Yay! Now let's open Claudia's the texting puppy bonus gift box. Congratulations! LOL biscuits. Cell phone sofa. I already had that. I think Fuzzy gave that to me. Bonus gift box. Yellow welcome balloon. Running shoe racer. Pretzel and watermelon. Okay. Yay stuff. Bonus gift box. 1,000 Kins Cash coin. Yay! Money, 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 money. Okay, that is all for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.